Okay, my dear students, good morning everyone. I hope that all are good. Before three classes completed for arithmetic progression, now it is going on the fourth class. Today we have discussed about the most challenging questions, means 1 mark question or 2 mark questions, previous examination point of view questions. Okay, my dear students. First we learn again once you read the formulas, what is the nth term, what is Sn, okay, those compulsory we remember, otherwise we cannot do anything. Okay, now we discuss today some questions, important questions, previous examination questions, some questions. Okay, majorly means VSQs, very short answer questions. Now first question, what happened, this one is, first question is 144 term. 144 is 144 a term of AP 3, 7, 11 so on. Justify your answer. This type of questions asking in this one. 144 term of AP, 144 is 144 a term of AP, means this is the AP is given, 3, 7, 11 is given, 3, 7, 11 is given. This 144 is a term in this series or not? Observe that. What about 3? Odd number, 7, odd number, 11, odd number. Observe that. But here 144 is an even number. 144 is a term in this series? No. Why? Because, for suppose, observe that A is equal to 3, D value is equal to 4, 7 minus 3 means 4. Sum of A plus D, even number plus odd number. One even number, one odd number. Must and should odd only. 3 plus 4, 7. For suppose A plus 2D, 3 plus 8 is 11. One even number plus one odd number. The sum of even plus odd is equal to odd only, not even. That's why 144 not a number in that series. Okay, my dear students. Now first term of AP is, second question. The first term means A1 is equal to P and its common difference. Common difference is Q. Then find A10 is equal to dash. Then find A10, my dear students. What is the formula of A10? You know very well. A10 is equal to formula, first term is A, okay, A plus 9D, A plus 9D, that is equal to P plus 9Q, P plus 9Q, okay, my dear student. Next one, what is given? Nth term is given. Third question. Question number third. Question number third. Nth term, An is given. If An is equal to 3 plus n by 4, then find its eighth term. Eighth term means instead of n we write 8. A8 is equal to 3 plus 8 by 4, that equal 11 by 4. Enough. Simple 1 mark questions. These all are, my dear students. Next, fourth question. For what value of P? For what value of P? P are 2P plus 1, 30, 5P minus 3. 3 consecutive terms in AP. These 3 terms in AP. Already yesterday I told the formula A, B, C are in AP. The twice the middle term is equal to sum of the remaining 2 terms. This is the formula or not? Say yes or no? Twice the middle term is equal to sum of the 2 remaining terms. Here this is are in AP. Twice the middle term means 2 into 13 is equal to sum of these 2 terms, 2P plus 1 plus 5P minus 3. 2 into 13 means 26 is equal to 2P plus 5P, 7P minus 2. minus 2 this side 28. 7p is equal to 28. Now p is equal to 4. 28 by 4, my dear students. 28 by 7. 28 by, yeah, that is p is equal to 28 by 7. 7 1s are 7 4s are, that equal to 4. I think very simple problems. Okay. Next, we are going to the next problem. Question number 5. Basic questions are very important questions. You remember, logically you remember the questions. Okay. Now, write the common difference of AP. Common difference. Question number 5. Root 3, root 12, root 27, root 98, so on. Write the common difference. How to find the common difference? You know very well. Now common difference D is equal T2 minus T1. Root 12 minus root 3. Root 12 means 4 3s are. Root 12 minus root 3. Okay, my dear students. Root 12 means 4 into 3 minus root 3. Root AB formula. Root 4 into root 3 minus root 3. Root 4 means 2. 2 root 3 minus root 3. 2 root 3 minus root 3 means root 3. The common difference is root 3. Okay, my dear students. Simple. Okay. Next, we are going to the next question. Find the ninth term from the end. Very nice. Find the ninth term from the end of AP. 5, 9, 13, so on, 185. Find the ninth term from the end. Already yesterday, for suppose the series have m terms, we will find the nth term from the end means m minus n plus 1th term from the starting. We don't know the how many terms are there. We don't know how many terms are there. Here a value 5, observe that. D value means 9 minus 5 means 4, L is given 185. Okay. Now L is equal to formula A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. 185 is equal to A means 5 plus n minus 1. You know, don't know the n minus 1 into D means 4. 180 is equal to n minus 1 into 4. N minus 1 is equal to 180 by 4. 180 by 4 means 4 4s are 16. 20 means 4 5s are 45. Now n is equal to 45 minus 1 means 46. Simply n is equal to 46. Now find the ninth term from the end. Means ninth term from the end means number of terms, total number of terms how many? 46. Therefore ninth term from the end means therefore the term from the beginning. Okay, listen, observe that ninth term from the end is equal to, this is also same, that equal to m minus n plus 1th term from the beginning. Both are same. Ninth term from the end is equal to m minus 1 plus 1th term from the beginning. M value is a means, what is this one means? This one. How many terms are there total? This is ninth term means nth term, no problem at all. Or for suppose n minus m, no problem. Here write n minus m plus 1. N value 46. M value means mth term from the end. Okay, 46 minus 9 plus 1. 46, that is equal to 46 minus 9 plus 1th term from the beginning. Okay, my dear students. 46 plus 1, 47. 47 minus 9 means 38. 38th term we will find. 38th term. Therefore, ninth term from the end is equal 38th term. 38th term means A 38 is equal A plus 37D. A plus 37D. Okay, my dear students, A plus 37D. What happened? A plus, A means 5, 37 into D value 4. Okay, what happened? 5 plus 7 4s are 28. 4 7 are 28, 4 3 are 12, 12 plus 2 14, 148 plus 5 means how much? 153. Okay, my dear students, that is equal to 153. We will do in this one also shortcut method formula. We have, you know the last value, okay, L value you know. Now the ninth term from the end or nth term from the end, okay, formula, very very important formula. Nth term in AP, nth term from end is equal to nth term from end means here in this one compulsory Ln is equal to L minus n minus 1 into D. That's all. This is the formula. Nth term from the end. Which term we find? Ninth term from the end. Ninth term means L9 is equal, L means last term. Last term means 185 minus n. N means 9 minus 1. 8 into D difference. 9 minus 5 means 4. 185 minus 8 4 is 32. That is called 153. Simple. This is general process actually. We will do in this way also. We will do in this way. This formula we remember this one. Very simple, my dear students. Understood? Okay. I think you are understood. Now we are going to the next problem. Next question is how many terms of AP? How many terms of AP? 18, 16, 14, so on. Be taken so that their sum is 0. Their sum is 0. How many terms of AP? How many terms of AP? In this one, how many terms are there? Compulsory, those terms sum is 0. Sum is 0. Sum, not nth term is 0. Sum is 0. Here A value, you observe that A value is equal to 18. D, decreasing series means D value negative 100%. D is equal 16 minus 18 means 2. That equal minus 2. Okay, my dear students. Now sum is 0. What is the formula of sum? Sum of n terms is equal to 0. What is the formula? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 0. N by 2, product of two terms means n not equal to 0 means 2a plus n minus 1 into it, where n not equal to 100%. Okay, 2a, a value 18, 2 into 18 means 36 plus n minus 1 into D value is minus 2. Okay, 36 plus into minus minus 2n, minus into minus plus 2 is equal to 0. 36 plus 2, 38 equal to n. 2n is equal to 38. n equal to how much? 38 by 2 is equal to 19. The sum of the 19 terms must be equal to 0. Okay, my dear students. Sum of 19 terms must be equal to 0. In this way, we will do the problems. All are very, very important questions, my dear students. Please practice each and every question. Next question. The fourth term of AP is 0. Fourth term. Question number, okay, whatever may be. Fourth term is equal to 0. Fourth term. The fourth term of AP is 0. Prove that the 25th term of AP is, 25th term means A25 is, 25th term of AP is 3 times the 11th term. 25th term of AP is 3 times its 11th term. 3 times its 11th term. The fourth term is equal to 0. Have to prove that 25th term is equal to 3 times of the 11th term. Very simple, my dear students. I think. What is given? Given this one. Fourth term is equal to 0. What is the meaning of fourth term? A plus 3D is equal to 0. This is the given condition. Now what you have to show that? A 25 means 3 into 11. Now take RHS. What the RHS is going on? Okay, no problem at all. 3 into A 11. that equal 3 into A11. Here A plus 3D means A is equal to minus 3D, my dear students. A is equal to minus 3D. Okay, 3 into A11 means A plus 10D. A plus 10D. What happened this one? 3A plus 30D. 3A plus 30D. Okay. Now 3A plus 30D. Okay, leave this one. 3A plus 30D. Now A25. A25. Now LHS is, what is LHS? A25 means A plus 24D. A plus 24D. Here observe that 3A. A value is equal to how much? Minus 3D. A value minus 3D. 3 into minus 3D plus 30D. That equal to minus 9D plus 30D. That equal to 21D. Here A value minus 3D plus 24D. That equal to minus 21D. Observe that RHS is equal to LHS. Therefore, A25 is equal to 3 into A11. That's why that is very, very simple, my dear students. Very simple problems we will do in this way. Okay. First we will write, already I told number of times. Okay. Already told you, plus read the question carefully. What is the given data? Note down the given data. After that, you apply the formulas. Okay, my dear students. Now we will go to the next question. Write the common difference of AP in which A21 minus A7 is equal to 84. Then find the common difference. D is equal to dash. A21 minus A7 is equal to 84. Then find the common difference. What is the formula of this one? A21 means A plus 20D minus A7 means A plus 6D is equal to 84. Here A cancel. 20D minus 6D, 14D. 14D is equal to 84. D is equal to 84 by 14. Means how many times? 6 times. D is equal to 6. In this way, these problems are very, very easy. Okay, don't neglect these problems. Okay, my dear students. Next, go to the next problem. What is the next problem? For what value of n? For what value of n are the nth terms of 2 APs? Nth terms of 2 APs 63, 65, 67, so on, and 3, 10, 17, so on equal. Understood the question? The nth term of this one, the nth term of this one is equal. Then find the value of n. Here observe that A value is equal to how much? 63. D value is equal to 2. Here A value 3. D value 7. Now write the nth term of this one and nth term of this one. For suppose nth term is, this is A n is equal to A dash n. For suppose this is A dash D dash. No problem at all. Given this one, nth term of this series is equal to the nth term of this series. A n formula A plus n minus 1 into D. What is the nth term? A dash plus n minus 1 into D. Our goal is you will find the n value. A means 63 plus n minus 1 into D means 2. A dash 3 plus n minus 1 into D means 7. Okay, my dear students. Okay, now 63 plus 2n minus 2 multiply. That equal to 3 plus 7n minus 7. 63 minus 2 means 61 plus 2n is equal to 7n minus 4. Here this side, this is this side. What happened? 7n minus 2n. Okay. 61 plus 4. 65 is equal to 5n. N is equal to 65 by 5. That equal to 13. 13 5 is 65. n equal to 13, my dear students. Okay, in this way we will do the problems. Very simple problems. Please watch this video and try the remaining problems. Now what is the going on? 12th question. 17th term of AP, 17th term of AP exceeds 10th term by 7. 10th term by 7. This is given. 17th term of AP exceeds 10th term by 7. 17th term is more than the 7 plus the 10th term. Find the common difference. Then D is equal to question mark. This is given. The 17th term of AP exceeds 10th term by 7. This is, you know that A plus 16D. This is A plus 9D plus 7. Both side A cancel. Okay, my dear student. 16D minus 9D. 7D is equal to 7. D equal to how much? 1. D is equal to 1. That is very simple questions, my dear students. Now, next question, we are going to the next question. Which term of AP? 3, 8, 13, 18, so on, is 78. Which term is 78? Means last term is given. You can find the value of n. We can find the value of n. Which term? Three, 8, 13, 18 is 78. A value 3, D value is equal to 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5. L is clearly given, that is 78. Now L is equal to formula A plus n minus 1 into D. L means 78 equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into D. D means 5. 75 is equal, 78 minus 3 is equal to n minus 1 into 5. That equals 75 by 5 is equal to n minus 1. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5, 15 5s are 75. Therefore 15 is equal to n minus 1. N is equal to 15 plus 1, that equals 16. N equals 16, my dear students. Okay. Next. We will go to the next problem. Find the 31st term of AP. Already I explained that one, I think. Okay. What is the question? Which term of the progression? Which term of the progression? Which term of the progression? 20, 19 1 by 4, 18 of 17 3 by 4 is the first negative term. Is the first negative term. Negative term means less than 0. Which term of the progression is the first negative term? Means first negative term means nth term is negative, first negative term. Means for suppose how to find this one first negative term? A value clearly given. A value is equal to how much is given? 20 is given. A value means starting value. D. D clearly is given how much? This one minus this one. 19, 4 minus 20. How much this one? 19 4s are how much? Okay. 4 into 19. This is the mixed fraction. Okay, 76 plus 1, 77 by 4 minus 20. 77 minus 20 means 420 is a 80, minus 80. That equal to minus 3 by 4. 100% it is a decreasing sequence. Decreasing means 100% it is negative. Whenever it is decreasing means d value must should negative. 19 4s are 100% 76 plus 1 77 by 4 minus 20. 420 is a 80, 77 minus 80 means minus 3 by 4. Now what is given? Which term of the progression means nth term you find, that is negative. Negative term means what is given means given an less than 0. Given in this case we will find the value of n, that is a plus n minus 1 into d is less than 0. A means we know that a value 20 plus n minus 1 into d value is minus 3 by 4 is less than 0. Now 20 minus n into 3n by 4 minus into minus plus 3 by 4 less than 0. Now calculate these two. Totally LCM we will take, no problem at all. 4 is the LCM, 420 is a 4 is the LCM, 80 minus 3n plus 3 by 4 less than 0. Okay, my dear students. 420 80, 83 minus 3n less than 0. Now multiplying with minus 3n minus 83 is greater than, whenever it multiplying with minus 100% less than will be changed into greater than. 3n greater than 83, n greater than 83 by 3. 83 by 3 means how to write this one? 83 3, 3 2s are 6, 23, 3 7s are 21, remainder is this one. How to write? 27 2 by 3. Yes or no? Yes. Here n greater than 83 by 3 means 27 2 by 3 means integer. N greater than 27 means 27 after the integer 28 means 100%. 28th term is must and should the negative term, not 27. 28th term must and should negative. Say yes or no? 27 term not, 28 term must and should negative. This way we will do the problems. Please, the students, don't waste the time. Please follow my YouTube channel. Thank you, one and all.